Next video. In today's video I will show you how to scan a QR code using a native macOS application. So yeah, let's get started. So first I will show you guys the output for this. So I have already created a video for this. So when I try to run the app, I will just show a barcode or a QR code to this, and in the console here you can see that once it is scanned, it will start printing it to the console, and it prints multiple times. So if you want, you can stop the camera once it has captured it. Depends on you, but I have decided to keep the camera running. So all you have to do is firstly create a macOS application. Next you will have to go to info.plist, and I'm using AppKit. I'm not using SwiftUI. Like I was trying to use it with SwiftUI, but the camera APIs are not really smooth to work with SwiftUI. That's why I've decided to work with AppKit. And firstly you will have to add this camera usage description permission inside info.plist. Then you will have to go to sign in and capabilities, and here inside a hardened runtime you will have to add this camera, check this camera option, and you will have also inside app sandbox hardware you will have to enable this camera option. Once you do that, you will go to view controller. You will import AV foundation and vision. Now this vision framework makes it very easy to capture capture QR codes or barcodes. And firstly I am extending AV capture video data output sample buffer delegate. Then I have just created one button and a camera view, and these are like boilerplate code of AV capture, video player view, and a capture device which you required for opening the camera. And here is the actual callback. So once a barcode or a QR code has been detected, all I am doing is I am checking whether if there is any error or not. If not, then we get the observation as WN barcode observation, and once we get it, we just print it to the console. So here you will get the actual barcode or QR code been detected and printed it to the console, and I am doing that on the main thread. And inside view.load I am just creating an object for our camera view and doing some NS layout constraints, and then adding it to our subview. Similarly for our button as well, and I am adding some NS layout constraints to our camera view as well as same for our button. Then over here, okay, so actually you don't need this button, like I was using some other thing, but inside the camera itself, as soon as the camera opens, I start detecting whether there is any barcode or not. So here you can see inside setup camera I am using a AV capture session, and the session preset is .photo, and this is the discovery session. Like you can play with this, like build in wide angle camera, or media type is video, and the position is back or front. You can set it however you want to, and if the device count is greater than 0, then only assign it to our capture device. And then here you can see we are initializing AV capture device input, then adding it to our capture session. And similarly for output as well, we are setting the sample buffer delegate and adding it to our capture session. Then again, this is boilerplate code of AV capture preview layer, then the video gravity, then the connection of video orientation equal to portrait, and this video layer frame. Be careful with this, like whatever is your camera view, make sure it is similar to that, otherwise you won't see your camera. And then I am adding it to our camera view, and here I am, as soon as the camera is properly mounted, I have started running this. But if you want, I think you can remove this whole thing and just write capture session dot start running inside the button click if you want to. And once it has been captured, here you can see I am getting the pixel buffer, and from that pixel buffer we get the actual VN image request handler, and then we will perform action on that particular request, and this gives a callback over here. So here you will get the actual QR code that has been detected or barcode that has been detected. Yeah, thank you, bye.